VirtualBox. Click on new, name whatever you want to name. Select type Linux, version Ubuntu. Select RAM size according to your system. Click on next, create VDI. If you want to keep your system speed, then select fixed size, otherwise dynamic location. Set the limit for the virtual disk and select the drive where you want to save your virtual disk and click create. After creating, open and select the ISO file. And start. It will take some time. Click next, continue. Click on our installation, click install third-party application and continue. Install now. Now create your user account by setting any name you want to. Choose your password and after entering the password, after confirming the password and continue. If you like it, please like, share and subscribe my channel.